Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I know I've been doing Slash the Stash 2020 and trying not to purchase diamond paintings. My only slip up was the Dreamer design, and then this is my second slip up, but you know, we're 3 months in, so 2 slip ups out of 3 months, not bad. But this was a really, really good deal from Diamond Art Club. This was some of their sale paintings, and there's one in here that I have wanted for a long time, but I didn't have the money to purchase it. It was a higher priced. However, it is on clearance now, and with the percentage off that I was able to get from a group I'm a part of, I just was really excited to be able to get this. So let's dive in. I've been cleaning my space and can't find my slicer, so I'm going to try to be careful with these scissors as I open this. So this is kind of like the boring part. Sometimes I pre-open it, sometimes I don't. Sorry about that. Here we go. And because these scissors don't open up all the way, it's hard. You know what? I think I'm going to use my tweezers to slice. They're so much easier. So another thing that tweezers can be used for is I have some headphones I use when I listen to YouTube. And okay, I'm going to take this off and pull things out over here. Oh no, I lied. This is something different. Oh no, it's not. I didn't lie. Okay. So, I put some headphones in to listen to a YouTube, and when I pulled the earbud out, the black part that goes in your ear stayed in my ear, the cushy part, and so I had to ask my daughter to use my tweezers to gently, without killing my ear, grab and pull it out. So, just a little something something to share with you. All right. So, for those of you new to diamond painting, Diamond Art Club is one of the more premier companies. They have amazing products. There are things for everybody, every style. Check out their sale and clearance area because some of their things you can get as low as $10. And they do free shipping if it's over $75, which is why I bought two. And then their boxes, they have how to diamond paint, what's included. They're beautifully wrapped. It came like you saw in a box, and then this is a box shrink wrapped. Yeah, so it's beautiful. So what did I get? I got Fathoms Below. It's a square with AB, and it's a 47 by 87. I don't know if you can see that. If it doesn't show up, I'll put a picture in right here. It's one of the larger ones, and because I don't really have a place to put it in my home, it's just for fun, and then, you know, it's too big to put in my portfolio nicely. I've been waiting to get it. But the color palette I absolutely adore, and so that's why I wanted it. Okay, so it comes wrapped in their Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle. You get a toolkit, and I'm just banging everything here. And Fathoms Below. This was packaged on 4/6/2019, and we're going to check it out. So in the toolkit, you're going to receive, they call it a magic applicator, but it's a single place pen. Okay, you're going to receive a couple baggies. You're going to receive a tray, a squishy to go on your pen, some wax in the shape of a heart, and sometimes it's a 3-placer, sometimes it's a 6-placer. It just depends on when it was packaged. and to what degree of color blocking and different things like that that are needed. So we're going to put this back and put it over here. All right, so let's go through these drills first. I love that they have listed on here the number of the canvas, fathoms below. It's just fun to know when it was wrapped up as well. So just a second, lots of crinkling. So this color palette is absolutely gorgeous. I love these greens and these blues. There are 310s because it's a Mandie Manzano, but not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8 bags of 310s. And then the rest are these gorgeous colors. So you've got some blues, some greens. This 890 is a rich dark green. You got some reds. I love 814. It's one of my favorite red colors. Ooh, that peach is pretty. 352. Yeah, so these colors are just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The ABs, let's see here. Okay. So here's a white AB. And it has this, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And it's kind of like a sequence coating versus a sparkle coating. And let me see. It doesn't say how many ABs, but that's the only one I see. So I'm going to think it has one AB. Just double check here. Yep, looks like one. We'll double check on the key because I am human. So I'm going to put this aside. Well, yep, right here, the tower of what you want to call it, gems, drills, diamonds, you name it. Beads, some people say beads. All right. Oh, it's been a while since I felt the back. It's just amazing. I remember my first Diamond Art Club. I was just like having Diamond Art Club asthma. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I'm not going to have enough room because I have these drills here to unroll everything. But as you can see, it's serged across. It has your thumbnail over here. It has listed what the canvas is, fathoms below, the size, and then it goes into the color list. And this is just gorgeous. There's 38 colors. One of them, yep, was AB. And it's beautiful. I just love the colors and the design. And then you've got a steps to diamond paint over here. This is a self-flattening, so the longer I have it out, the longer it's gonna, it'll lay flat, okay? And then down here you have another key, and then you have the Diamond Art Club warranty and their, like Facebook, social media. And then check your canvas because they usually have a code for you to reorder. Now, I like mermaids, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan. Maybe I'm a goody two-shoe, so I'm not a big fan of like the half-naked type person. So I will probably modify this a little bit to be more like a bonus, but that's just me. You guys will have to wait and see what I do, but it's just so that I feel more comfortable displaying this. But yeah, I love this. I'm going to get up close, but it's beautiful. It's square. It's got amazing symbol quality. It's got the clear cover. These are not rivers. These are just the cover through shipping. So let me get you up close. See if you can see that there. again, if it's blurry, I will take a picture and insert so you don't have to look at the blur. Otherwise, it turned out. Okay, so I normally measure with my little handy dandy tape. However, every Diamond Art Club I have measured has been true to the drill size versus the canvas size. So I'm pretty confident this is going to be the same thing. Alright, so I'm going to roll this up to protect it and put it back in its little sheave. Here, and then we will open the next one. So now I remember, see, it's been so long. This has actually been sitting here for like 3 weeks for me to unbox. But I wanted to finish a couple things first and get my area cleaned up so that I could do the unboxing justice. So I'm going to put this back in here. All right, crinkle, crinkle, you're going to hear it. It's all right, keep moving. Let's see if I can get this back legitimately in here. I wonder if people who pack these like dream in their sleep how to pack them. I know, this is not working. Oh well. We will make it work. You know, instead of knowing how to fold a map, we now know how to fold diamond painting drills or diamonds. Crinkle, crinkle. Okay, that totally... We're just going to put that over there. We're going to pretend it doesn't live over there, and I'll clean it up later. Okay, so now I remember what I did. What I did is I've been wanting this forever. And then they had the code, so I was going to use it, but I wanted to get it up to $75 so that I could get the free shipping, because I'm like, oh my gosh, like spending $7 on shipping instead of putting $7 towards a diamond painting kills me. Like I said, great marketing ploy. So I finally bit the bullet and got this. I've been wanting it since it came out. It is Mandie Manzano's Once Upon a Dark Night. I will insert a picture in here because I can't see what you see. I don't know if my phone is picking up because my daughter is watching TV, and the TV is what, oh dear, I just scratched my table. The TV is what I usually watch, what you watch while I'm doing it, which is really bad because I don't usually wear my glasses when I'm unboxing, and the TV is about 15 feet away from me, so I can't tell if it's blurry or not. Alright, so let's unbox this baby and see what we got. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to go through the toolkit again, but it is square with ABs. It's a 55 by 80. Okay. And now the difference is now Diamond Art Club with square is including tweezers. So as you can see, the older one I opened, even though it was square, didn't have tweezers. This one does, and it has everything else that's in it. Okay, so this is a different color palette, right? This is reds and browns. Now you can see here they changed up with their newer packaging. It doesn't have the date or anything, but they still have the code so you know what it goes to. I do wish they put the name on it because that way we can like memorize the name but not the code. Okay, so I'm not going to pull these out because you saw how frustrating it was for me with the last time, but the colors are amazing. Look at how beautiful those are. I know they're a different color palette than the last one I opened. And then one of the ABs in here is this beautiful like salmon orange color. And then I love this cream color. It's not an AB, but it just reminds me of fun and peace. And let me see. I thought there might be a white AB, but I could be wrong. I don't see it. I see normal white. Okay. So I'm going to close this up. And let's get to the diamond painting canvas. So this was packaged differently, which is nice. It has the instructions on the outside, and it's different. It's a pamphlet, a step-by-step pamphlet, and a thank you. And then they give you a code for your next diamond painting. Okay, just like with the other one, it's got the wonderful outer edge serged. It's got their logo, Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It's got the thumbnail. It's got the number or the model of the canvas, the name, and the size. Again, 55 by 80. Why did I get some big ones? Seriously, people. And then this is just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I know. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but it's got 39 colors. 2 of them are ABs. No, 3 of them. So I missed a pink and a yellow, but I showed you the green. And the yellow kind of goes through this fire, outlines some parts of her dress. Sorry, the orange. Yeah, the orange and the yellow. And then the pink, trying to see, is over here. But isn't that, look at that, people. It is a lot of 310, but it's also a lot of that 37.99 and 33.71. So a lot of the browns. But I just thought that was gorgeous. A lot of color blocking. Karina, if you did squares, this would be a good one for you, but you don't like squares. There's a lot of color blocking. But she is just breathtaking. And I can't wait to have her done. So, here we go. I'm going to roll her up. I'm super excited. The symbols, what I like about Diamond Art Club is the symbols. They have the same symbol palette, and so you get used to looking for the white die is 310, or, excuse me, the white die is 310, or you know, the 2 dots are this, and it's just really nice that you get familiar with the symbols. So, well, everybody, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I love you all, and, you know, see what I come up with next. Check out my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber already, please click the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this. Love you guys. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.